This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः श्रावण शुद्ध तृतीया दिनांक 23 जुलै 2020 सहस्रयोगम चिंचादितैल शंखं चक्रं जलौकान्दतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यांशकपरिविलसन् मौलिमम्भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरं निखिलगगवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक् श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रेच्छत् सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। हाँ हेलो। हाँ तुम्हारे पास लिंक नहीं है क्या वो? हाँ हेलो। हाँ अभी नहीं कुछ कर पाएंगे क्योंकि मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है। वो विलोक भारतीय से बात करो बाद में। मैं अभी नहीं उठाएंगे वो 8 साढ़े 8 के बजे के बाद। हाँ हाँ। हाँ। परिणत केरी क्षीरादि तैल परिणत केरी क्षीरे जंबीर फलोदकेन तुलितेन षडदासुरधूप श्रुतम तैलम ही अपबाहुकम जयति। तो ये खास करके अवबाहु के लिए है। परिणत केरी क्षीरे जंबीर फलोदकेन तुलितेन तो क्षरद हरिद्रा असुर धूप धूप गुग्गुलु और परिणत केरी क्षीर इज कोकोनट क्षीर कोकोनट मिल्क। जंबीर फलोदक वनप्रस्थ। So this is only for Avabahuka. Is this available? ये उपलब्ध है क्या? शायद होगा ऐसा लगता है मुझे, लेकिन so this is only particularly for Apabahuka or Avabahuka we may say, and then if it is very specific for that, then it might be the same name. Okay, so Parinata Keri Shiradi. So ठीक है। और I think Vasya also will do about this. and Abhyanga also. देवदारु बला रास्ना मांसी सर्षप नागरैः बला कषाय संसिद्धं तैलं सर्वांगवातजित्. So Devdaru etc. are Kalka and Bala Kashaya. Bala Rasna Mausi Sarshapa Nagar. So this is quite different. So it has both Santarpan and Apatarpan. The Kalka Dravyas are Apatarpana, Devdaru, excepting Bala, of course. Rasna Mausi Sarshapa Nagar. So that way simple part. Whether this is also available, Devdaru Bila Baladi. Okay. Balashvagandhadite. So this is also commonly available. Balashvagandha lakshanam kvate padamsha sheshite tailaprastham tachet dhiman dadimastu chaturgune. रास्ता चंदन मंजिष्ठा दुर्वा मधुक चोरकैः सारिवोशीर जलद पुष्ठा गुरु सुरद्रुमैः हरिद्रा कुमुदार कौन्ती शताब्धा पद्मकेशरैः कल्पैरेभिः सुसंयुक्तैः कार्ष्टिकैश्च सुपेषितैः शनैः बुद्ध्वा मृणापक्त्वा गाले भाजने शुभे प्रशस्ते तिथिनक्षत्रे तत्तैलं शीलयन्नरः तेन सर्वज्वरोन्माद क्षयकासादयो गदाः दश्यन्ति विविधाश्चैव वातरोगान् असंशयः अश्वभ्यां निर्मितं तैलम् एतत् पुष्टिकरं परम्. So this seems to be a good combination as such. And so Kwatha is just Bala, Ashwagandha and Laksha. Dadhimastu Chaturguna. And these are the so Kwatha and Dadhimastu, each Chaturguna, then it will be 8 times of the Taila. So there is Bala Guduchadi and Trimishritattel before Bala Ashwagandha in Hindi book. Okay. But there are differences in Hindi and English. So these are scattered. I think Balaguduchari we covered. I don't remember right now. So Rasna Chandan Manjishtha Durva Madhaka Chorakai Sarivo Shira Jadada Pushta Guru Sudratramai Haridra Kumudda Kaunti Shatabha Padmakeshari. So there are lot many. शायद कल्कद्रव्यास रास्ना चंदन मंजिष्ठा दूर्वा मधुप चोरा कचोरा सारिवा उशीर जलद मुस्ता कुष्ठ अगरु सुरद्रुम देवदारु हरिद्रा कुमुद कौंती रेणुका शताभा पद्म केशर. So this is containing laksha as such and mastu, that is at another issue. So puštikaram param. So सर्वज्वर उन्माद क्षय कास विविध वातरोग पुष्टिकारक. Upalaguchadi is done. Okay. But I don't think I have skipped one page. Ah, yes. I didn't go left. That was the thing. Balaguruchati Taila. Okay. Anyway, we'll go to that. Balagurucha Kvachena Tailam Shiram Samandhitam. Chandano Shira Yashtyabha Mustakalke Kvachit Punha Siddhametat Vataraktam Raktapittam Shirorujam. Vatapitta Kritan Rogan Ashuhantyat Subhujitam. So this is a better choice in Vatarakta. Raktapitta and Shiroruja. So Bala and Guruchi and Chandano Shira Yashtyabha Mustakalke Kvachit Punha. So this is also a bit simple part. And Vatapitta Kurtan Rogan Ashuhanyat Spujita. So immediately conquers Vatapitta Kurta Rog and Supujitam. Shirorusha is also there. Trimishrita Taila. Varibala Amrutakvate Tailam Siddham Payassamam. Chandano Shira Kushtabda Kalkitam Vataraktam. Trimishrita. Balaguruchad is available, whether Trimishrita is available. Chandan, Ushira, Kushtha, Abda, Taila, and this is only Vatarakam. Vari Shatavari Bala Amruta Guruchi. Shira Vanprastha. So this is peculiarly for Vatarakta. And then there is another Balaguruchadi Taila. What is available in the market? So anyway, we go for this Balashwagandhadi and Prashasthya Tithi Nakshatre Tailam Shilayan Naraha. So this either for consumption or preparation, both for both it is better. Shiroja Har by Abhinga or Nasya or Shirodhara or Abhintarapana or all. I think in every way it may be used. So this can be used internally. There is no doubt about that. So Pano Nasya Abhinga Basti in all ways, or even for Dhara. So we may try to think about this Balaguruchadi. And the one which is available in the market by Balaguruchadi, whether it is this Bruhat Valiya or Cheriya, that we have to see. There is another Sarvajvaronmada, Shaya Kasa Dayogada, Nashyanti Vivita Shivata Rogan, Asamshaya. So this is again a good part of Balashwagandhari. Unmadakshaya and Pushtikaraka. So maybe in children, Balashwagandhari is a better choice. And containing Laksha as well. So maybe during teaching process, this should be good for Abhyanga as well. Please mention these tailas each how to use, whether internally or externally. I think there is no problem in using any taila externally or internally, both them. Unless and until there is some Vishadravya, then it will be contraindicated. But otherwise, every taila can be used internally as well as externally. Companies do write on the label that for external use only, and then the people get confused. That is also possible. So if there is a clear-cut mention that Pananasya Abhyanga Basti, then we don't have any doubt about that. For external use only असे का लिहिलेले असते? I don't know. So we have to put this query. Please mention. We have to put this query to the pharmacies why they are writing like that, and that is creating some confusion about that. So better Vaidyaratnam and Kottakkal. So Balaguduchedi second is available in the market, so it is Valiya part and not Cheriya. So that is also good. इस खाली निकल जाता है. बलागुडुची सुरपादना पानान सुरपाद पानां काथे पचेतैलमिमैश्चकल्कैः जटामया चन्दनकुन्दरुष्क नताश्वगन्धा सरलैस्सरास्नैः एतत् सदाहं सर्वं सशोकं रक्तानुगं वातगतं निहन्ति. तो सदाह सर्व सशोक रक्तानुग वातगत सो वातरक्त बलागुडुची सुरपाद पानां वाथे पचे तैलमिमैश्च कल्कैः. मी ग्रीन फार्मसीच्या शतावरी तेलाबद्दल असा फोन केला होता, समाधानकारक उत्तर मिळाले नाही. Okay, we may have to speak directly to Amod Sane, not somebody else. But there is no need of any preservative in ghee or oil. All are in Kharapakas or written as external use. This might be a thing, but they are available in Madhyam Paka. To improve shelf life. What is improve shelf life? Improve. South Indian oils are prepared in rice bran oil and not in tila tela, is what I heard once. This is dangerous. So like ghee, I was supposing that this ghee is Jersey cow ghee, that is very well known. But taila, I was thinking that it is tila taila only. They might be mixing 40% palm oil. That is a possible thing if government has allowed. But one can't believe that this would be rice bran oil. It is as per FDA rules, but we must use it in all ways. That is Abhyantara as well as Bahya. Also there is mentioned as directed by physician. Hence we can use in both ways. Ignore that use only external application mark. No, we can ignore, but how the people will ignore? Mineral oil is used for कायदेशीर बाजू आहे असेही काहींचे मत आहे. इंटरनल यूज साठी अधिक नॉर्म्स पूर्ण करावे लागतात. खरपाका असेल तर इंटरनल इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड. That might be the thing. Best is for internal use. We prepare our own use. Own oil. Yeah. So These are very commonly used, oils and ghee particularly. Now we are thinking about ghee to procure desi cow ghee and then prepare ghee in that. We may have to procure til oil as well, pure, and prepare madhyamapaka of that, which can be used either for pana or to certain extent maybe for nasya or abhyanga. That's it. For abhyanga there is no problem. For nasya it's actually mrudupaka that is expected, but that may not last long, and if it gets spoiled, then that is another issue. It is always karapaka, as madhyamapaka have shelf life for 2-3 months only. So this might be the thing that they advocate it only for external use. So we may have to ask some Vaidyas about this who are preparing oil in Maharashtra, and maybe Amod Sane, as I said, even the Tila Tela prepared by Ghana and market available Tila Tela are totally different. So now these machines are available to get Tila Tela on Madhyamapaka. Little oil is lost in Kalka. Pharmacies may be avoiding this loss and making Karapaka. So this is also possible, but if pharmacies are doing it on a large scale, then the loss will not be that much or something like that. And secondly, if we boil the kalka with water later, and the oil should get separated and mix little bit with water, and then evaporate water, that is quite possible. So Sahacharadi, Dhanvantara, Karpasasthyadi Taila available in Madhyamapaka. Whether it is written on that, for internal use, oil capsules are available like Shiravala, etc. But truly speaking, generally this should be, yes, written on it. So that is fine. At the most, what we can do if we are getting it externally, extra for external use or karapaka, we may add little milk and water and then reboil it. So, and we can keep it mrudupaka or madhyamapaka as per our requirement. Sahacharadi, Dhanvantara, Karpasasthe. So we may have to think about this or prepare it by our own. So oil capsules are available, that is still written on it. Also, Gandharva Hasta Taila is available in Madhyamapaka, written as Chikkanapaka of Vaidyaratnam. Okay. On some oils, Mezupaka mentioned for internal use. Mezupaka. Is it Nandalim? सिद्ध तैलात काही कृत्रिम रंग वापरत असावेत. Maybe this Chandan Bala Lakshadi or this Baidyanath Lal Tel, Baidyanath name. Lal Tel is from Dabur, I suppose. Madhyamapaka is Mezupaka. कृत्रिम रंग नसतो पण रतनज्योत नावाची वनस्पती वापरत असावेत. हे डाबर का लाल तेल that is famous, and so we try to understand the shortcuts in preparation of medicines, and it's of course better to prepare our own oils. We have to prepare our own oils, as no guarantee which oil is used. So what I propose is cultivation of tila and maybe groundnut have to be taken up by farmers. So for desi cows, this paint of all these two is beneficial, and for us, the oil, this groundnut oil for consumption and tila oil for preparation of medicine, that's better choice. And anyway, this groundnut plant fixes nitrogen in the soil, and so it is beneficial for natural farming. So that is yet another advantage of that. And of course, we may not have to use palm oil. We'll use pure uh, tilak oil or something like that. Or another option is coconut oil. तीळ तेलाला खूप कमी उतारा पडतो. ते साधारण 300 रुपये पर लिटर पर्यंत किंमत पडते. Fine, if we are trying to use it desi cow ghee as such, then we need not compromise with the quality. Only thing, if you are going to sell it with the same name, then the people will prefer pharmacy prepared. If you have your own nomenclature, then and that is not available in the market, then people will have to purchase from you. That will be better. Those who make or making medicines in large quantities can purchase machine oil for grinding oil seeds, lakdi ghana, machines for all Vaidyas can purchase oil from them. Because nowadays many people have started cold press oil units, but authenticity is a question. Now, one of my student trying to invest in preparing oils, and of course I will have a talk with him. His wife is actually Vaidya, he is a dentist, but he is interested in investing in oils as such and procure raw material and get oil. Vaidya Ashish Mari from Pune is planning to prepare til taila by Ghana in large quantity and is planning to supply to all the Vaidyas. So Ashish Mari, okay. So ask him to join this group. That will be better. We have to form groups for tail extraction, preparation of siddha taila, etc. पांचभौतिक पद्धतीने सर्व तेल कसे बनवतात करू शकेल का? We have started preparing madhyamapaka tail for basti pana and mrudupaka tail for nasya. Okay. Household til tail machine available with price 25K. It was good. But there is still some heating process in that. It's not purely cold pressed. And of course, this is metallic. But still, this is a better choice if we don't have an access to Lakdi Ghana as such. In Karnataka, I had seen wooden press actually, and that was also a better choice. It was just pressing or something like that, and it's a mechanical device. We may have to think about that. So anyway, availability of natural tea is another important aspect. Generally, nobody will be putting some pesticides or fertilizers for tea, I suppose, but can't say. And there is no such requirement, etc. And maybe we try to get natural groundnut and try to extract oil from that. So those who are already working for that, so that should be fine. इथे आपण मटेरियल द्यायचं आणि लाकडी घाण्या ह्यांना घाणीवाले आपल्याला तेल काढून देतात. So that should be fine if this available facility is available. Also, not only lakdi ghana oil, but oil seeds must be organic and produced as per SPNF. Oil made as using these two criteria is more costly, around 500 to 600 rupees per liter. So anyway, we are trying to use groundnut oil, which is SPNF, and it's available 350 rupees per liter. Wherein the groundnut is also organic. I'm not sure about the method of extraction, but there are controversies about Ramakrishna Oil Mills and Lakdi Ghana, the brand, or something like that. There was a raid on that, and herein there is one center, but they don't allow us to go to their unit, access to see the unit. So this is quite troublesome. And of course, we may not have, they not use organic seeds. That is sure. So for organic, you have to depend on some farmer. And anyway, we are trying to cultivate only natural farming, and in that this would be possible. So let us think over this and try to get authenticate sources of tiller and this groundnut, and then maybe using that. Sushruta indicated Madhyama Paka for Nasya, clubbing all the references together. For on purpose, Madhyama Paka is better. So this is fine. So we may go for Madhyama Paka in our preparation and use for all. And maybe have a talk with Sane, Vivek Sane, and what are the rules and regulations regarding this? Why it is written as for external use only? And maybe I talk to even Amod Sane, that should also be a fine thing. So this Balaguducha, the second part is available in the market. Sadaham Sargam Sashokam Ramat Niftanam Vatagadam Nyan. So Badhyam Pakat Dravamsh Astu. No, actually there is no Dravamsha. But this may not last for many days or something, longer or something. So Surna test कशाची आहे? There is one test that you have to take the kalka and directly put it on fire. And if it burns without this churchur noise, then it is okay. And when it goes further, then it becomes Harapaka. म्हणतात तेलाचा सवीर्यता अवधी 4 महिने आलेला. So 4 months is fine. So in that scenario, we may try to use it for 4 months. It all depends on how many patients we are trying to use it, and supply, that is another. Mesopak and Chikkan Pak both are used for Madhyam Paka. These are both Madhyam Paka. आताचे तेल हे 2 वर्षाचे एक्सपायरी असलेले असतात. सध्या मिळणाऱ्या त्याला 2-3 वर्ष एक्सपायरी असते. So there is a doubt whether this is Kharapaka or some preservatives have been added to that. So both the things are quite troublesome as such, and anyway, what I feel right now, ultimately we have to go for our own preparation. So this concept of society or a trusted person from our group who is interested in doing this, that should be fine. Only thing it matters the price, but we should not compromise with quality of the medicine. So in that scenario, at whatever cost it is available, we may try to use it. Only if you are going to prescribe and it is available by the same name outside, then many patients may not understand the difference between the quality and would argue on why you are selling so high, etc., etc. 21-101 वरती त्याला expiry असते का as per text? Quite difficult to say. It is a totally different issue as such. And we may have to see if they have written some expiry on that. Now FDA has made it compulsory to write expiry for every medicine. Now in case of Aswarishta, there is no expiry officially, and maybe for Bhasma and Khalvi Rasayana or Kupipakva Rasayana, there won't be any expiry as such. But we have to see any official reference for this, and try to understand. आवर्ती तेल बनवतो म्हणजे करपाक होत नाही का? Pak will be every time, so we can't say whether there will be a karpak or not, or something like that. Every time when you prepare, there will be paka, mrudu madhyavar, khara, and preferably we should be doing madhyam paka. So that can be used for varieties of things, and anyway if we are going to give it internal, then it has to be madhyam paka. Then the shelf life might be less. That is quite possible, and have to think about that. So Datamausi Amayayis Kushta Chandana Kundaruka Shallaki Niryasa Nata Tagara Ashwagandha Sarala Rasna Vantala each. Tirataila Balaguruchi Surapadapa Devdaru. Water active with Risha and Shofar swelling. So this is there are so many oils, particularly for water. आवर्ती तेल बनवतो म्हणजे काय? सिद्ध तैल वीर्यहीन होतात म्हणजे काय होते? एनी अनवॉन्टेड चेंज प्रोड्यूस्ड. हम सेकंड पार्ट बलागुच्चादि तैल बलागुच्चादि कषाय अवेलेबल सेपरेटली which द्रव्य here जटामयादि चूर्ण अवेलेबल which is kalka here which is द्रव्य here. Balaguruchadi is not Balaguruchi. Yeah, that is Guruchadi, not Balaguruchi. So Balaguruchadi kasha available. Okay. So जटामयादि कल्क is available. तेच ते तेल पुन्हा उष्ण करतो पण द्रवद्रव्याच्या माध्यमातून म्हणून विचारलं. Yeah, but every time there will be a new path. So we have to see that the path remains madhyama all the times. So I think we try to see this 21 101 Sachatel, etc. And see their internal use as such. Anyway, when it is 21 or 101, then the potency is increased. There is no doubt about that. कार्पासास्ति बला माशक उदुक्तैः क्वथिते रसे देवदारु बला रास्ता कुष्ठसर्षप नागरैः शताभा पिप्पली मूल चव्यशिखर पुनर्नवैः कल्कितं तैलम आजेन क्षीरेण सहितं पचेत् तत्पावना पाननावनाभ्यंग योगात् सर्वानिलापहं विशेषात् उपबाहुं च पक्षाघातम् अथार्विकं हरेत् बाहुं च पक्षाघातम् अथार्विकम्. So कार्पासास्ति बला माश कुलत्थ. So these are Kvata dravyas. Devadaru etc. are Kalka dravyas. And Ajak Shila is to be used. Pana, Navana, Abhyanga. Pakshaghata and Ardita also are there. So Karpasasti, what is meant by Karpasasti? Sarki, na? Now many pharmacists prepare Kalviya Rasayana and while doing tabletting they use some binding agent. So they need to write expiry for that. For example, Bhurutpa Chintamani Rasya, Dudpa Peshwar having expiry of 5 years. हाताने वळलेल्या गोळ्यांना एक्सपायरी नसावी. Sarki, I think yes. And this again is dangerous because it is now genetically modified. So the Karpasa seed is genetically modified. So that is dangerous to use Karpasa theory nowadays or something like that. Or we have SPNF, Karpasa, and then go for that. कापूस काढल्यानंतर जो फुलाचा वाळलेला पार्ट असतो त्याला कार्पास असते म्हणतात. फुलाचा वाळलेला भाग. I have to see. I also was under the impression that it is the seeds. So we try to understand what they use for by the name Karpasasti. And sir, one suggestion I want to give, that nowadays we are mostly getting carried away by the topic from our actual Granthavachan. For avoiding this, can give a separate day in a week for such out of preview of Granthavachan discussion. This is my humble request. Generally, it won't be possible to remember those things after a week or so. And even if you keep it in the end as such, then how much time to be allotted for that? That is another important aspect in the end of every lecture. But out of focus questions should be avoided. That is for sure. If it is related to that, then this is fine. And of course, we are getting distracted. That is very true. And we need to do something for that. Too much of distraction from the original part is troublesome. There is no doubt about that. So, what I feel right now is we try to continue in the same way, but people on their own try to understand that we are distracting or something like that, and put only relevant questions and relevant information as such. Use for pana navana abhyanga sarvavatarga especially apabahuka pakshaghata and ardita. Lakshaditel raksharasa samam tailam tailan mastu chaturgunam. Ashwagandha nishadaru kaunti kushtabda chandane. Samurva rohini rasna shatabva madhuke samayi siddham lakshadikam nama tailam abhyanjanadinam. सर्वज्वर क्षयोन्माद श्वासापस्मार पाप्मजित् यक्षराक्षसभूतघ्नं गर्भिणीनां च शस्यते. Strange. Is Lakshaditya, I suppose it is available. So Chaturguna Taila, Ashwagandha Nishadaru Kaunti Pushpartha Chandanehi. There are many dravyas that are common with Balashwagandha. Laksha is also there, Ashwagandha is also there. Ashwagandha here is in Kalka, there it was in Vatha as such. But Mastu was also there. And Abhyanjana Dikam or Abhyanjana Dibhi, that should be there, not Dinam. And Sarvajvara Kshayonmada Shwasapasmara Papmajit. So Papmajit is again a typical use. Okay, no, I don't mind regarding that. If we do Nasya with that, I think we get two part of Lakshaditya, Cheriya and Valiya. Yes, available. Purpose Nasya Chandra results. There is no doubt. Only thing is, if we are using this Sarki, then this might be, and if it is genetically modified, then that's a question that may arise some problem after 10-15 years. That is the thing. So Lakshadi, if it is Cheriya, then what is Valiya? That is like another important aspect over here. Yaksharakshasa Bhutagnam. Now this is very typical. So Yaksharakshasa and Bhuta. And Unmada is also there. Shwasa is also there, and Apasmara is also there. And Papmajit. This one is Vali I use for Garbhini, for Abhyanga, for Garbha Poshana. Now there have been controversies to do Abhyanga in Garbhini or not. And there is one reference not to give Abhyanga in Garbhini, except after beginning of 9th month, Abhyanga is regularly used. But there are problems with Vata dosha in Garbhini, and I have used Abhyanga with Bala oil or some other oil. And आता दुभत्या गायींना आपण बीटी कॉटनची सरकी वापरत आहेत तीच अवेलेबल असते सो दॅट should also be avoided. Actually, it is better to get back to original cotton plant. Subhash Palekar has already proved this, that if we use desi seed, it doesn't have that problem of bone dali or something like that. That is why they shifted to this genetically modified. And that is again a failure. After 2-3 years, again that bone dali returns back even with this genetically modified plant. So anyway, the farmers have to move back to basic plant. That is the thing. So this Abhyanga for Garbhini is anyway useful. I'm not remembering the reference wherein Abhyanga is Nishiddha in Garbhini. But truly speaking, it's a requirement, and we try to understand why it is so. Valya Lakshadi is from Sahasra Yogam. Chiriya Lakshadi is from Ashtanga Hridayam, Uttarastham, 2nd chapter. Okay, so this is Valya. And Yaksharakshasa Bhutagnam, this is again in Sushruta Sharira. Better also quote the reference, whether it is which chapter, 8th chapter or something like that. And let me see it once again. But this is again Balamaya Pratishedha Adhyay of Vagbhata. 8 महिन्यापर्यंत गर्भिणीमध्ये अभ्यंग निषिद्ध आहे. गर्भाला कुष्ठ होते. So we'll try to see that reference and whether there is any other thing. If this is a reference, now this is from Sahasra Yogam, we may try to look in this Lakshadi from Vagbhata. There is Lakshadi Tail in Charangar also. And is it given for Garbhini? So if it is indicated for Garbhini, then we may have a reference. Like this is a reference for us, Garbhini Nancha Shasyate. So we can definitely go for Abhyanga in Garbhini. That is a possible thing with this reference. Of course, we have to see why Sushruta has said that it is not to be used in Garbhini. And anyway, so Papmajit Yaksharakshasa Bhutagnam Garbhininam cha Shasyate, this is very typical as such. गर्भिणीमध्ये अभ्यंतर वापरू शकतो. That is possible. Tailam Abhyanjanadi Dibi. So Abhyanjana is also there, and Adi we can take Pana also. But there is a direct reference about Abhyanga of this, even in Garbhini. Long back, I had seen a video in London, UK. There was one Indian doctor, gynecologist, who was very famous for normal deliveries, and her main thrust was on Abhyanga. She actually demonstrated one Garbhini and Abhyanga over her tummy in the conference itself. and of course she was doing it right from the fifth, 6th month or something, but more rigorously at the beginning of ninth month. So this still remains a question, uh, why, in what context he has said Abhyanga Nisheda in Garbhini, and we may try to understand the logic behind that. I think this is to be advised only in case of Garbhakshaya. In this condition, Udara Abhyanga with Lakshadya oil is advised. Uh, anyway, we'll have to think. In IUGR, I've treated many cases in 8th month, and liquor is less. This is one of the important conditions. And I have used Shira, so Dugdha Pattika over the abdomen. People tend to go for coconut water. I don't know where is the reference. Balaji Tambe might have said about that. But this Shira Patti does help in increasing the fluid, and the Ayurveda is taken care. So maybe we can use Lakshadi oil for this externally. That should be fine. पण किकवीस मध्ये चिकित्सेमध्ये उदरावर अभ्यंग सांगितला आहे, but that is after delivery, so that's not an issue. Kolodaka and Navanita is used for decrease in Garbhini Avastha. If there is Kandu, we may have to look for that. साठी तेल बाह्य उपचार म्हणून वापरतो नासे. That is what I'm saying. If there is a Kandu, then this is more important. Generally, there is one preparation for Kikvis available in proprietary form market for this stretch marks. In Vagbhata Falashruti, it is mentioned as Vatanut, different form. Sahasra Yogam Falashruti. Okay. I have given this in 2 cases of Garbhakshaya. We got Lakshadi oil with base of coconut oil, Lakshadi Kera Tailam as coconut oil part. So this is again important that Lakshadi Kera is also available. In Panchabhautika Chikitsa, Garbhodaka वाढीसाठी नारिकेल. If you have a reference from Datar Guruji's own book, that will be better. Or if there is some book written by Madi or some other people, you may have to look for that. Audumbara Jala is also having good results in increasing Garbhodaka. Okay, that is another important aspect. But if this is a reference from Datar Guruji, then we may have to think about this Narikela. But I have good experience with milk as such. So anyway, Lakshadi Kera Tela is also available, and we may use it for this. If it is just IUGR, no concern of amniotic fluid, actually less amniotic fluid, then Lakshadi might be an option in this. And Shashte Snayu Siraroma Balavarna Nakatvacham. So Nakha is in 6th month, and generally this problem is found in 7th and 8th month. Sarvai Sarvanga Sampurnai Bhavai Pushati Saptame. And this Asthi might be taken care by this Laksha. So Vedya Yoga Joshi sir advises Panchamrita for increasing Garbhodaka or even plain Dahi Sakar. I don't know any reference for this as such. And we may have to look into Tai Rajwade's book. And I think it should be available. I'm not sure. In our times, it was available. Tomar Brutya Tantra, that was the name of the book. And she might have told something about this Ayurveda. So she was also very much experienced in all these cases. So we may have to think and may have to talk to Susmita Dupeshwarkar, who is a student of Velankar Madam, and they should have dealt with many cases of Les Garbhodaka or IUGR and might have seen something. Anyway, we conclude today and continue tomorrow. आयुर्वेदप्रकाण्डो निगदितैः शल्यतन्त्रप्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् Vaidyavargo. Particularly in summer season, that might be a good option for Lakshadi Kairataila for Abhyanga. And since this is Yaksha Rakshasa Bhutagna, that is another important advantage of this. So might we use it for Abhyanga, particularly in these seasons? That should be fine.